Hey everybody, it's Jenna from the Pixel Connection. Today I am here with the brand new FUJIFILM X-S20. On this body I do have the brand new XF 8mm ultra wide angle lens as well. Super excited to try this out, and we're excited to let you know how it is. So let's go. So for starters, this camera does take the brand new NPW235 battery, which is different from the battery taken by the XS10. Additionally, that battery is going to give you about double the battery life that you would get out of the XS10. On top of that, it does have a brand new redesigned grip. I am a really huge fan of this grip. I feel like I have a very nice strong hold on this camera, especially if I'm moving around and doing any sort of handhold shooting. On top of that, there are some nice brand new redesigned buttons on the top that does just make this stand out a little bit in comparison to the XS10. This camera has the same subject detection capabilities as the XH2S. Additionally, there are some new upgrades with IBIS with up to 7 stops of image stabilization. Whether you are a vlogger or if you're somebody that's shooting more longer exposures with lower shutter speeds, such as an astrophotographer, having these new IBIS upgrades are going to help you out when you're getting that shot. This camera has 19 film simulation modes, including the brand new Eterna Bleach Bypass. This camera has an X-Processor 5 imaging engine, as well as the same sensor as an X-Trans CMOS4 26.1 megapixel sensor. If you're somebody that's looking towards this camera for more of a video aspect, this is a great option for you. This camera allows for up to 4K streaming capabilities, and also if you're somebody that's looking to start doing vlogging, there is a vlogging option right here on the dial for you. You can vlog by just flipping this screen out. This is a nice add-on on this camera body. Along with video, this camera has 6.2K at 30p, 4K at 60p, and 1080 at 240p video options available, along with 10-bit internal recording. So all in all, this camera is great for photo or video. It has amazing stabilization capabilities and a really nice handheld feel if you are someone that's shooting out and about with this camera body. So if this is a camera that you love and you would like to get your own, you can pre-order now on our website at thepixelconnection.com. And if you liked our content and you want to see more of it, you can go to our YouTube channel at The Pixel Connection. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.